All right, guys. This is not really like a big setup. I'm not doing lights and stuff like that. I am microphoning myself just because it's a little easier to make sure that you're hearing me. But I am excited. I easily get excited. But here's the thing: I am excited about a new thing that I got in the mail just the other day. I have been waiting about a year, year and a half for this to actually arrive, and it finally did. It finally arrived just couple days ago, and I had to get some set up for it. And you're like, what is it? You've got your guitar in your hand. What is it? It's this little pick. No, it's not the little pick. It's actually a product that I've been waiting for, hearing all about. It's actually called the Tonewood Amp 2, Tonewood Amp 2. And what it does is actually amplifies your guitar acoustically without an amplifier. Well, actually, it's its own little amplifier. Um, Let me give you an example. It's probably easier for me to give you an example about how it works than anything else. Matter of fact, my wife was asking me about it. Um, why I spent money on something for a guitar. Husbands, you know what I mean? Guys, you get it, right? Right, right. So I had to justify it, and so let me first off let me turn this. I had it on. Let me turn it off. First off, let me show it to you. Okay, there's a magnetic brace inside that this connects to. You see that? That's my Tonewood amp right there, and it's off right now. And let me just play something for you. That's on. Okay, let me turn it off and give you an idea. Then I'll turn it back on. It's real simple to use. Okay, so it's off now, right? So regular guitar. So you hear that? It's regular guitar. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on, and it's real simple to turn on. Little button right here, and it is on. And so let me give you the other example. You hear that? You should be able to tell the difference, right? So I'm excited about. Now, some of those effects that you're hearing, I have on there. I cranked them up so that it's a little bit exaggerated from what you can do. You can adjust these. Let me show you. You get your phone out. You can actually, they have an app for it that you can play with and adjust your guitar. Let me show you. You can see this there. You can adjust it right from your phone, the different effects, and you have like chorus, delay, reverb, tremolo, and you can mix those. You can change the levels, you can EQ, you can change the volume of everything. And so, yeah, I love the fact that, and you can also do that on the unit itself. On the unit itself, you can do that. You don't have to use the app, easier to use the app. And so, again, I recommend the Tonewood Amp 2. Here's the make sure. Oh, let's see here. Making sure that it's connected here. You can make all of its adjustments and you can save different settings. If you want to name them different things, you can do that. So let me give you an example one more time. I'm going to turn it off. There we go. So it is still on. I got to watch to make sure it says turning off. Shutting down. All right. So shutting down. So that was with it off. And I'm going to turn it back on, and it's back on now. And so I'm going to play through the same thing again with the effects on. Again, remember, I've kind of maxed them out to kind of exaggerate so you can get the idea, the difference that you can do. So you can back off on any of those. You can use all of them at the same time. You don't have to use them all. You can use one effect at a time, all four at a time, two at a time, three at a time. You get the idea, right? So here it is back on, right? You get that, right? All right. So I'm just having a lot of fun with it, playing with it, getting to know how it works. Again, I just put it on yesterday. Again, what happens is there's a magnetic brace that goes inside your acoustic guitar, which attaches this to it. There's no, you don't have to screw anything in. You don't have to mess anything up. It's removable. This unit is removable. So if you got another magnetic brace on another guitar, you could swap it to another guitar. And so there's a lot of different things you can do with it. Again, it is the let me get this Tonewood Amp 2, Tonewood Amp 2, and I just got it. I love it, and I'm still getting to know how to use it. So, guys, strongly recommend. This is great. Like if you're in a room and you don't have an amp or so, and you can do this with just sitting in there. Like if you're in a living room with a bunch of friends, you can wow them with some great sounds without an amplifier being there. Again, it is the Tonewood 2, and highly recommend it. And so, really, guys, thank you for watching this video.